Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. So we've christened this exercise the snow machine, but basically it's a snowplow while standing on the spot. And what this is going to allow us to do is to learn a few more key areas of our blades to be able to control and to use skillfully. So first of all, let's understand that our blades have two edges, not just like a normal knife with one edge. We have two edges. So if we rock our feet inwards, we're going to find the inside edge of the blade. And if we rock our feet outwards, this is the outside of the blade. When we skate normally, we don't usually rock our ankles this way. We find those edges by leaning. Now, when we're trying to achieve this snow machine, we're trying to create a shave of the floor which generates snow. So by shaving the ice, gradually we'll build up a pile of snow. That's friction, and that will slow us down when we're moving. But it can be tricky to achieve that when we're first trying it. So we're learning it stationary on the spot, as some people find this one challenging.
You'll get three kinds of feedback when you do your snow machine correctly. The first is visual. You should see a wide white stripe left on the floor and a collection of snow at the end of your snow machine. Hockey skates can create a little more snow than figure skates, but it really depends on the sharpness. Let's take a look at the white stripe, which we can see starting here and finishing here. You'll feel a light vibration or tingling in the sole of your foot from the friction of the blade moving across the ice. And finally, there's the sound. It will sound like an angry librarian telling you to be quiet.
So it's going to be really important as we get ready for our snow machine. We're going to make sure we bend our knees, and we're going to create a slight angle with the foot that we want to create our snow with. Slight diagonal angle so that our inside edge of the blade is what is going to shave across the ice. Okay, so the angle is important. Next is the touch of the blade on the ice. Now, think of your blades, they are a knife. If I wanted to carve through some meat and it was tough, I might push quite hard on the knife. But we're talking about this as shaving. So it's actually really important to use a light touch that can travel across the ice and just graze it gradually, okay? Think about someone shaving. They're not going to push the razor strong against their face. That would be silly. Same thing. So as we're going, we're trying to keep the weight in one side, mostly, and the other foot is lightly connected to the floor so that the blade can shave a little bit of snow up off the ground and help you to slow down.